Here are 7 settings that you need on your channel to be sure that your channel is fully customized and it's ready for any upload and also growth. Hi guys, welcome to today's challenge. Today is a day 2 of my 30 days YouTube challenge, and today I'll be talking about 7 settings that you need on that channel in order to help boost your views and get subscribers and also help that channel grow. Okay, so quickly let us dive in. Now, in today's in the first setting that we are going to be talking about is what many YouTubers do not pay attention to, or probably they do not know, and also some big YouTubers do not talk about it because some people look at it as something that is not relevant, and that is what I refer to as channel tags. Now, these channel tags go a long way to help the YouTube algorithm know what your channel is all about and be able to push your videos to the right audience. Let me quickly show you how you can put in these channel tags into your channel in order to help the algorithm anytime you upload a new video to push your videos to the right audience, and it's going to help skyrocket your views and also find the right audience for you. So let us dive in. So the first thing is to go to your YouTube studio and go to your settings. Yes, go to the settings down your YouTube studio, and just as I'm showing you now, once the settings is open, go down to where you see channel, click on channel, and then it's going to bring you to this place they wrote keywords. So now you are going to put in everything regarding your channel here in this keywords. So this will go a long way to help the algorithm know what your channel is all about and also the right audience to push your videos to. Okay, so this is the channel tags I am talking about. So you input anything related to your channel in this space. If this is done, you have done one of the most important settings in your YouTube channel, and this is going to go a long way to help that channel. Even if that channel is dying or probably not getting views, and you have done this particular setting I've shown you, then you have gone a long way to help boost that particular channel, and in less than no time you start getting views on that channel. So quickly we are going to dive into the second setting, and this setting is also what some YouTubers ignore on their channel simply because they see it as no, it is not significant. As much as you want to upload high quality videos, get views and subscribers, you still need this particular setting in order to also help the algorithm, because you're not just working for yourself, the algorithm is working with you in order to get to the right audience. And this is just simple, and it's something you can do in less than 2 seconds on your YouTube studio. The next setting is go to the same YouTube studio, your settings, and go to this default settings. Now all those channel tags that you put in that your keywords, you are going to copy like 3 of it, all right, and come down to where you have tags in this upload default, all right, and put in 3 of it. It will permanently stay there, and the YouTube algorithm will be able to know what your channel is all about. So anytime you upload a video, these tags will be there, and you can add other tags relating to that particular video. All right, this upload defaults go a long way to help you anytime you are uploading your videos. Now I have also made it clear to you that if these little settings are ignored on a particular channel, that channel is not going to grow, because one, the algorithm, you did not give the right information for that particular channel. Even if you have a new niche or you want to change your channel niche, you need to still do this settings so that the algorithm will quickly pick up that particular channel niche and make sure that it finds the right audience. So quickly, let us dive to the third setting. This setting is mostly talked about on this YouTube space. However, a whole lot of misconception about this setting, because a whole lot of people are wondering why their views are not being recommended or pushed to the right audience, and why is their videos always flopping. Now, this setting can be the reason why that channel is not getting the right audience, all right? Is your visibility. Now, I normally prefer to put it on unlisted, so if I upload a video video, allow it to remain in unlisted for 24 hours. All right, so this will go a long way to help the algorithm to gather data about that particular video that I am doing before pushing it out. All right, so once that is done, anytime you're uploading your videos, you just upload your videos and it will still remain on this unlisted until you are ready to schedule your video for a particular time that you want that video to be uploaded. This will go a long way to help the YouTube algorithm to gather data. It will go a long way to help the YouTube algorithm to also find the right audience to push your videos and to bring in subscribers for you. Okay, because once your videos are being pushed, once you are getting much views, you will definitely get subscribers if it's a high quality video. All right, so we are going to quickly move to the fourth setting of our challenge. These settings are very easy and simple and probably might have been ignored by you, and it can be the reason why your channel is not growing. So I am applying these settings also to my channel in order to see how I can revive a dead channel. This can only be done when you are uploading your videos. So quickly, let me show you on the YouTube studio. It's going to be done at the desktop version of your YouTube channel. So you go down, and once you get to this particular place where they say allow embedding and publish to subscription feed, guys, a whole lot of people do not understand the right way to use this. Okay, so now if you have subscribers who have already subscribed to your channel because of the kind of videos you are making, anytime you're uploading a video on, then you have to check this publish to subscription feed. However, if you are making a video that is not related to your channel, you have to uncheck this publish to subscription feed so that the YouTube algorithm will show your videos to new audience, all right, that will want to watch your videos and click on your videos. But if you allow the algorithm to show it to your subscribers first and they are not interested in that particular video, because that's not the reason why they subscribe to your channel, they won't watch that video and the algorithm will conclude that that video is not worth pushing out. Okay, so for you to get new subscribers, you have to uncheck this place they wrote publish to subscription feed. All right, this also will go a long way to help boost your channel. What people do not understand about this setting is how to use it right, because when you use it wrong, it is going to be a problem to that channel. Now, the first subscribers you get on any YouTube channel is very, very important, and the algorithm puts down the data of those subscribers and the reason why they subscribe to your channel. So anytime you upload a new video, first your videos are going to be pushed to those subscribers in order to be sure that these subscribers like this video and watch this video. And in a case where the subscribers are actually not interested in watching that video, the YouTube algorithm will automatically conclude that that video is not even good to be pushed out for other audience. So that way that video will not go far. And a lot of small YouTubers are not really paying attention to, but big YouTubers use it the more on this YouTube space. And this also help viewers to be able to move to any kind of topic that they want to watch on your videos. So if they do not have interest in the first topic you're talking about in your video, they can also move to other subtopics in that video and watch specifically what they want on that video, and it's also going to be counted to you as views on your video. So this go a long way to help viewers to continue watching this video anytime, instead of just swiping away from that video because it has not even gotten to where they are interested in. Now the next setting is here where we have automatic chapters. Now most people you have to uncheck these automatic chapters and input your own chapters yourself, and it's very easy. Watch your videos and just put down the number of times that any particular topic you are discussing played in your description box. If you allow the YouTube to check these automatic chapters, you will find out that they will just mess it up for you because they might not put it in. It is an AI tool that is doing this. It might not be done the right way. So the best thing is that you just uncheck it and do it yourself. Go a whole long way to organize your video and also help retain your viewers on that video. Sixth setting on our YouTube channel, and that setting is just very easy, and also it can help you get watch hours and also subscribers. Now, most times when we watch some videos, we found out that after watching that video, YouTube is going to recommend a similar video, probably from another creator, on that YouTube homepage, so that you can watch in case you do not get value from the one you watched. Okay, so now the easiest way to make YouTube recommend your videos that are also similar to the ones that YouTuber has already watched is by adding end screen, and it's very easy. So anytime you're uploading your video, let me show you how you can add end screen. End screen, yes, your end screen is one way for you to gain watch hours and also gain visibility and also gain subscribers, and it can only be done when you are uploading your videos. So you choose any video that is suitable. All right, welcome back. So if you have done this will go a long way to help you gather watch hours, because that viewer will be glued to your videos if your videos are good enough to retain that viewer, and they will want to watch more and eventually even subscribe to your channel, gathering watch hours and also getting new subscribers. Now, this brings us to the last but not the least. Now, many YouTubers tend to ignore this because they feel that, oh, this is not actually important. Now, have you seen some videos here on YouTube where people remix other people's video? Some YouTubers, it is of a personal interest. Some YouTubers do not like it, but some like it. But this is just the secret about remixing your videos, is that it is just like a mini marketing. Other YouTubers marketing your channel for people who do not know you to see. So when you allow remixing anytime you're uploading your videos, just like I am going to be showing you remixing, yes, now a whole lot of YouTubers might not really like this, all right, but it is like a mini marketing for you. So, and it's better you allow video and audio remixing. This way other YouTubers can remix your videos. It will help market your channel and bring in subscribers into that channel. If you are looking forward to growing a new YouTube channel, or even an old one struggling to grow, allowing remixing is one of the best things that you can do, because it will go a long way to market that channel, thereby bringing in subscribers and watch time to that channel. Okay, we have come to the end of this video today. Please, if you found this video useful, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. And don't forget, it is a 30-day challenge, and this is our day 2. See you next on our day 3. Bye.